Right, I've got the differential in the vise in some soft jaws. I've cleaned up all my bolts, so I'm going to now put some thread lock on them. Now they're all nice and dry. And we're going to just wind them down into the housing, just with a little gun for now, like that. Just even Stevens. They don't say put Loctite on them, but they are kind of, oops, that was a bit too much. They are kind of, well, not very tight from the factory. Let me get some on there. Put some on there. Right. Right, with those wound down, now get a pen and I write on the head of the bolt like this. I'll do 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. This encourages you to tighten them up diagonally opposite. Like that. You see what I mean? And you don't forget them. It's kind of nice really. Now we'll fire up this digital torque wrench and we'll just go around them. One, 2. Oops, vice is on. 2, we'll just check this one again. 3. 3. 4. 4. And then I go around them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know now. Turn the gas canister on. We know now that that diff is all back together again and ready to fit.